Alright, the S25 series is here. Samsung has just unveiled the Galaxy S25 lineup at the Unpacked event. Once again, we have three smartphones, the S25, the S25 Plus, and of course the big boy, the S25 Ultra. And I must say, these are not major upgrades. Why do I say that? Well, first up, you have Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset on all three phones. All of us were expecting that. We have seen that on a bunch of other devices like the iQOO 13, OnePlus 13. We have run multiple tests, multiple benchmark tests on these phones, and we have seen what kind of scores you can expect on the S25 lineup as well. Of course, this is top of the line chipset, so you can expect powerful performance on all three phones. But what it also brings to the table are a lot of generative AI features. You can see Galaxy AI behind me. That's been Samsung's story for the last 1.5 years. So all those features that we saw on the S24 lineup, on the Z Fold 6, Flip 6, they are coming to S25 series as well. And Samsung claims that they are now better than before. For example, circle to search feature. We saw it last year, made a lot of headlines. Now it has new capabilities that can give you newer information, more information about anything that you are looking for. Similarly, text to speech has been improved to give you more accurate answers. The whole experience, Samsung says, has been enhanced. But what else apart from that? Not a lot of new and exciting AI features that I can find this year. Similarly, on the camera front, on the S25 Ultra, the major camera system is more or less the same as the S24 Ultra, except for the ultra-wide sensor, which has now been upgraded to a 50 megapixel sensor, which means you can click sharper, better, ultra-wide as well as macro shots. But one thing that I instantly noticed on this one, and you are probably gonna notice as well, for the good or bad, is the design change. Just look at this phone. It's more squarish than before. There are flat edges as compared to the curved edges on the S24 Ultra, and on the front also. Now you have a flat display. I don't know what to feel about it because I honestly am a fan of curved panels. You let me know what you think about this design change. But what I can tell you is the display quality is still top notch. This is a high resolution panel, Quad HD Plus panel with 120 Hz of refresh rate. Feels very good to interact with. Everything looks so good. In fact, I clicked a few pictures here at Samsung's demo zone, and even those pictures under this sort of a lighting came out really well. They looked really good on this particular screen. The S25 and S25 Plus, they don't really have seen a lot of design changes. They still look very much same as their predecessors. They also get their Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. The camera system is also more or less the same. In terms of battery, the S25 Ultra gets the biggest 5000 mAh battery pack. The S25 Plus is right behind it, and the S25 has the smallest battery pack of all three. All three phones run Android 15. We'll soon have them in our studios where we'll run them through a bunch of different tests. We'll take them out for real world camera tests as well and bring out the digit scores for you. We'll tell you where these phones stand in the real world testing. Till then, you let me know what you think about the S25 series. What should be the India pricing of all these phones, and are you looking to actually buy one?